Hey friends, if you wish to reset Winsock in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run a command line, which is netsh space winsock space reset. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the command line here and hit enter. Now you need to restart your computer to successfully reset Winsock. Okay. The next one is a network reset. Now, network reset doesn't only reset Winsock; it resets all parameters, including flushing the DNS and reconfiguring the IP address and all. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select this option, which is Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset, click on Reset Now, and then click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.